Hi, Naya. Good morning. Hi ka daw. Hi. What are you gonna say? Good morning.
Video mo.
My phone is not bright. And lessen the brightness. Good morning, Day.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Jaden. Tulog na tulog pa. Hello po. Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Today is June 29. Of course, Sunday. Prepare. 8:30 na. Simba natin is 10:30. No suklay mode. O, dahil yung ano. Ayan pa. Oh. Naya!
You got my phone? Thank you.
Okay.
You will wait.
Deo, lagyan mo pa.
It's so cold, Dad.
It is?
It's cold. Good thing you wear long sleeves, eh?
Yes.
Ano yung daddy? Nagasgas mo. Di, nagasgas mo. Nagasgas siya, di. Di, nayupi. Nayupi, di. Nayupi. Oh, makapansin ka ayon, di. Jaden! Dalamin pamunas na. Eh? Jaden! Naya! Baka may nag-invite. I got you! Tag! I got you! I got you!
No, here.
Jaden! Love, love! Oh, may laway, daddy. Ay, ay, ay. Ping!
Sundo mo ka na ito.
Naantok na nga siya. Kanina pa siya gising eh. Children's are?
Such gifts.
Oh yeah. They are. Not everybody. You want crackers? Mama.
You want cracker? Cracker or milk? Nah. Janaya. You want cracker or milk?
Tong tong.
Daddy will put
Slip na tong tong.
Naya.
Yung pakali kanina. Naantok sa ano loob. Hindi nakatulog. Naya.
Hoy!
Naya. Hi.
I wanna go.
Yeah, Daddy just buy chicken.
Of course, lang kamatayan. Pero imbes na chicken tenders, bibili ni daddy. Naya! Naya! Tenders kasi ang binibili ni daddy. Niluluto pa yan. Di katulad na chicken, naka-ready na. Dolorama. Tagal ko nang din nagpupunta. Yun ang aking dating tindahan. Nung hindi pa ako maternity leave. Para di mainip si Naya. Pinababa ko siya. Oh, hi ka daw. Open the door. Oh, the other way. Over here. Oh, Daddy's here. Come. Daddy's here. Finish.
Wanna go inside?
You want to go inside?
Yeah.
I wonder. We're not gonna eat it. We're going.
We're going. We're done. Let's go. Disappointed. So we'll be.
Just sit on your chair later at home.
Let's go. This way, this way.
Hold Daddy's hand. Hold Daddy's hand up.
Let's go.
Can you show your shoes? It's new. Can you show it? Like that? Like that? Wow, I like your shoes. Yeah, there's ant.
Let's go.
Scary.
This way.
The other way. Go to Daddy. Ano daw de? Gusto niya umupo sa ang tawag doon? High chair. Kala niya kakain kami doon. Hindi na tayo. Si Jaden natutulog sa car seat. Kailangan niya ma-stretch. Bilis
Wala mas masalting manok ng Kenan.
kasi may tinis.
Ali. Tsaka,
Malinis.
I don't know, alawaying kaya daw. Alawaying.
Vibes.
Yan yung kaya ka nito. King third floor mo rin yung building na yan. Nagbibigay na yung supervisor kanina. Mapali yung kusina. Karas ng gatpanap.
Hi there, what can I ask for you?
One large ice cup, please.
Anything else for you?
Ma'am? That's all, thank you.
Okay, for you, 5 kids have a piece. Thank you.
Malamig. Not fan of malamig.
Sira siguro awang ini.
Why?
Bubukla na yung passport eh.
Ah, hindi bumababa na. Quebec. Came from Quebec. Ano yun, de? Gutom na, no? Nakaready na agad yung ice cup mo, de.
Hindi yan magkano.
Ay, hindi saya.
Ang side mirror mo. Mana ka na maraming manakit kanya. Mga isda rin ang driver. Basta mamandar yung sakyan. Mga side mirror. Spak yan.
Can I get a sleeve, mo, de?
Can I ask for a sleeve, please?
Extra sleeve.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Para po tamad niya along ka lang.
It's not too hot.
Lamang hot-hot
It's too hot daw sa banda niya. Pero pag nag-park, kaya umitim siya eh.
Yeah, matulin niya.
Hindi kasi siya naghahat.
Nakakarapat na yung hot na ito.
yung mga basura nila. Talagang basura.
Ano? Basura labin.
Basura.
Basura lang.
Toy. Ay, nakalagay siguro sa ano nila, sa likuran nila.
Saan tinimba yung gawa?
Ng house, Nasa harap, 2 garage pa siya.
Wala na may garage.
Ito, sakit mo. Wala mo na mag-candy.
True.
Mak mo nung at suya kikilog yung karaging sa kanya.
Minsan ginagawang
Budig.
bodega ang garage.
Diyan may lagyan kanila.
Wow.
Malapit na kami sa bahay.
Siya.
Canada Day. It's a Tuesday. You're gonna bring that? Hold this.
I bring my dad.
Oh, you're gonna hold that?
It's heavy.
It's too heavy. Mamang, it's too heavy daw, Mang. Is it heavy? Oh, be careful. Open the door.
Okay. Oh, I got the beep. Okay.
Okay, get up. Go, 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 go. Okay, okay. Go up.
Okay.
You hold your hand.
Mom,
Oh,
I heard my telephone.
okay. Oh, you hold the cell phone.
Okay.
Hold my hand. Let's go. See your face. Your face. You cannot see your face.
Yo, see Naya.
You see that? See your face. Okay, we're home. 6 a.m. Is it hard work going up?
Yes, I took my
De, alam mo yung mga numerong pipindutin mo sa labas? Sabi niya naman, wait. Tut, 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 Ana. Okay, let's go. Ano nakang? Ano my love?
Want more bread? I'm fine.
Who are you calling?
Makain kami. Hindi yung pakali. Jaden! Jaden!
Naya? Want more bread?
Jaden! Kakagising lang niya. Kagising ko lang po. Gising po. Alas 6 na ng gabi. Pero maaraw pa. After namin kumain kanina, nagstay lang kami sa kwarto ni Jade. At nakatulog. siya. Hinto-hinto. Di ba palagay? So, hinilay na konti. Hindi ko naman talaga siya hinihili eh. Ewan ko, hindi siya mapalagay, hindi siya makatulog ng maayos. Tapos, si Janaya natulog kasama ni Mama. And then, mga 1 hour ago, nagpunta sila sa park kasama ni Daddy. Si Janaya at just Daddy. Park. Wala, tulog si Jaden. Di tuloy kami nakasama. Nunak ko. Nag-park si ate. Kasama ni Daddy. Di ka kasama. Sleep kasi. Okay daw. Hi. Punas daw. Punas. Punas. Ah. Chiki 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 chiki. Chiki chiki chiki. Chiki chiki chiki. Chiki 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 chiki. Uy. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Wala si ate. Huwag kang kakaganyan ah. Umayos ka ani. Kulit ah. Kulit-kulit Jaden ah. Sakit yan mo, hindi ka pa magpupo. Na, naririnig ko tiyan mo. Uy. Hi mo daw. Hi ka daw. Hi. Tik-tik. Ay. Tik-tik-tik. 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 Tik-tik. Tik-tik-tik. 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 Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Yeah, yun. Mamaya pa sila niyan uwi. Mga bandang 7. May araw pa eh. Tirik na tirik pa eh. Ay, liwanag lang. Mm. 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 Mama mama mama. Mama 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 mama. Mama 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 mama. Sarap naman. Sarap-sarap naman ni Jaden. Kasarap-sarap naman ni Jaden Lablab. Ano yan? Kalangat? Suot niya yung damit ng ate niya. Ang ate niya ay 9 months. Ano rin yun? Kulangot? Patingin? Punas tayo. Punas. Wipe, 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 wipe. Mm-mm. You can see yourself. You can see yourself. Nah. Nah. You can see yourself. Mapili ka ah. Balik, 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 balik. Ba? Marunong nang mag-ganon na. Ay, galing naman. Natusok mo mata mo? Did you poke your eyes? Yeah?
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. But on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza.
Hi, Jaden. Hi. Deh. Mag-aalas 9 na ng gabi. Kanina naghihintay kami ni Jaden kina daddy. Hindi ko na na-video nung dumating sila. Lobat ang aking phone. Mga 15-20 minutes kami naghintay ni Jaden bago dumating sila daddy. Tapos yung kabilang building, nakakakwentuhan namin. Ganun lang magmaritesan. What did you eat daw? What did you eat? Oh, wag malbilo. What did you eat?
I eat.
What did you eat?
I eat rice and soup.
Rice and soup. Yes, that's correct. And then you drink? What did you drink? You drink what? What did you drink? Pineapple? You want slipper like that? Nah? Do you want a slipper like that?
This not.
Meron kayong ganito sa tindahan niya, te?
Ano yan?
Yung ganyan?
Ito ba natin?
It's
Yung ganitong slipper.
I thought the mommy's slipper. Here, mom.
Okay. No, the other way. Thank you.
It's another one.
Thank you.
It's for Daddy. It's for Daddy.
Yeah. Where's the other? Where's the other?
Here. Dad. Wait for Dad. For Daddy.
Bait naman ah. Galing-galing naman ah. What? Thank you, Naya. You're so nice. Thank you. Thank you. How about yours? Where's your Where's your slipper? Oh. Hi, kiddo. Bilis ng araw, bilis ng day. Bilis ang oras.
Hi.